This lesson is a bit more technical, and for some of you, you may want to skip it or may not find it applicable. But setting up the environment for ChatGPT is relevant for anyone who's interested in using it in specific projects. This could include developers who want to use it to create chatbots, dialogue systems, or other applications that require natural language generation. Setting up this environment is also relevant for researchers who want to use it for language processing tasks such as translation, summarization, or language modeling. Setting up these environments refers to the process of installing and configuring the necessary software and dependencies in order to use ChatGPT with your current systems. This could include installing Python, downloading the ChatGPT package from GitHub, or setting up an API key from OpenAI. By setting up these types of environments, you are creating a place for ChatGPT to run and interact with your current systems. This can allow you to use this tool in your own projects and further explore its capabilities. This is a common task in many different roles and professions, especially in the fields of computer science and software development. Below are a few ways that these roles could interact with this tool. Software developers need to set up environments in order to run and test their code. This may involve installing the software dependencies, configuring development tools, and setting up local cloud-based development environments. Data scientists often need to set up these types of environments in order to work with data and perform analysis. This may involve installing libraries and tools for data manipulation, visualization, and machine learning. DevOps engineers are responsible for setting up and maintaining environments in which the software is developed and deployed. This will often involve automating the provisioning and configuration of development, staging, and production environments. Also, you may work with researchers within your marketing efforts who need to set up environments in order to run experiences or simulations. This may involve installing specialized software or hardware and configuring the environment to meet the needs of the research. Overall, setting up an environment is a common task in many different roles and professions and is often necessary in order to effectively use tools and technologies. You can interact with ChatGPT in a variety of ways, and here are a few examples. Command line interface. ChatGPT comes with a command line interface that allows you to enter text and receive responses from ChatGPT in real time. Concerning Python API, ChatGPT can also be used with Python API, which can allow you to integrate ChatGPT with your own Python projects. Concerning web interface, there are web-based interfaces available for ChatGPT, which allow you to interact with ChatGPT through a web browser. There are also other interfaces that are available for ChatGPT, including plugins for popular code editors and integration with tools in other platforms. Overall, there's a variety of ways to interact with ChatGPT depending on your needs and preferences. Below is a basic step-by-step guide to help you get started in these types of settings. Install the required dependencies. ChatGPT requires Python 3 and a few libraries to run. Make sure you have these installed on your system. 2, download the ChatGPT model. ChatGPT is available as a package on GitHub. Clone the repository and install the package using pip. 3, set up the API key. In order to use ChatGPT, you'll need to obtain an API key from OpenAI. Follow the instructions on ChatGPT GitHub page and then set up the API keys. 4th, test your setup. Once you've completed these steps, you should be ready to use ChatGPT. Try running a few simple tests to make sure everything is working as expected.